Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your sneak peek into February now. Let's see what February is going to bring for my Saggies. I hope you have a beautiful month ahead, Sagittarius, but these are general collective readings, okay? Will not resonate with all of you, so take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So, my angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most about the new month of February now. What are the energies coming towards them and how they can navigate through them to have a beautiful month ahead. Thank you. So, Sagis, this time we'll be taking a Ganesha oracle card. Lord Ganesha being the bringer of joy, abundance, new beginnings, prosperity, happiness. I think it's a good idea to take a blessing from Lord Ganesha since we're starting a brand new month, right? So, Lord Ganesha, blessing, guidance, advice, or message for my Sagittarius, please. I think this one. All right, let's keep this one here, Sagittarius. Let's put the rest back. And the card I have here for you, Sagittarius, is divine support. So you are being guided, you are being supported. It's just a blessing, okay? I can't really say much about this card, but yes, you have the universe backing you. Whatever you're going through, good, bad, ugly, beautiful, whatever you have is all being guided and you are supported, okay? So I'm going to put this card here, Sagittarius, and start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your beautiful comments. And see, this divine support also has the beautiful Om on it. Can you see it? So yes, maybe there's an important message in here for you, Sagittarius. Let's open your tarot cards. Ooh, see what flipped out right after that, the Six of Wands. So there's some kind of victory coming towards you, Sagittarius, and maybe that's where the divine support is available to you for this victory. So like I was saying, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for all your support, your love, your kindness to the channel. Thank you for keeping me motivated with all your likes, comments, shares. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel and become part of us. We welcome you in Sagittarius. So let's see, Saggis, what we can expect in February. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Saggis, my email is in the description box below where you can reach me. The Emperor, taking back charge, taking back control of your life, Sagittarius. No wonder you're on your way to victory in February. So the first card here is the Nine of Pentacles, Three of Swords, and the Ace of Wands. Okay, so Saggis, I feel some of you, I guess, suffered some kind of a heartbreak, a loss, maybe in work, maybe in love, I don't know. But I think your current energy, from what I feel, you're kind of rebuilding yourself. You're not relying on anyone's support. You're making sure that you can do it by yourself. And you seem to be doing a pretty good job because whatever you're doing, Sagittarius, now, focusing on yourself and growing your own abundance is actually propelling you into a beautiful start in February. This is your February card, which is the Ace of Wands. So let's see why this is here. Nine of Pentacles, Spirit, for their current energy. Nine of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles. Okay. Past energy, Three of Swords. Three of Swords, Spirit. Three of Swords. In the past, Sagittarius, in the past, I think you suffered some kind of a heartbreak because you were looking for some justice or some balance to be brought to your life, or maybe somebody to choose you, okay, or some choice that had to be made. But I think you may have kind of come across somebody who was not authentic, or maybe fooled you, or you felt cheated, or you felt this person actually just was a trickster in your life. So right now, in your current energy, I think you've kind of pulled back your power now. You are now trying to see what else is out there. Whatever was there in the past hasn't really worked out for you. You may be feeling a little alone or sad at the moment at the way how these offers never came to you in the past. But now I think you are picking up that spirit to say, hey, listen, if it didn't happen in the past, doesn't mean it's not going to happen in the future. And you, I think, have already kind of made up your mind to take a creative uh, approach to facing your future, because I have two cards suggesting the same here, looking forward to what new is to come in your life. And you are focusing on yourself, on your abundance, on looking good, feeling good, and this is what February brings for you finally. So Ace of Wands, my God, Sagittarius, Ace of Wands is clarified by the Ace of Wands. How strange how exciting is that? Now, this is like the number one of exciting new journey. No wonder you're feeling like this. Here's the wand in your hand, feeling victorious. So I don't know what's going to happen in your life, Sagittarius, but it does seem that you have a lot of divine support, and to have an Ace of Wands with an Ace of Wands, you are geared up for success in February. Maybe because now you've taken back charge and taken back control of your life. So what is this Ace of Wands, Spirit, in February? I don't know what you're doing. Maybe you've gone into self-love mode, or you're feeling you've smartened up maybe with your past hurts. Whatever you've done here, Sagittarius, you are having a lot of wish fulfillment with whatever this new start is. It's going to make you feel in a very good place emotionally, and I think with your work or money or whatever. Look at this. Wish fulfillment, Ace of Wands, the Emperor, the King of Cups, emotional and, everything, and then the Six of Wands to top it all as the underlying energy of February. That's some beautiful energy to be in, Sagittarius. Okay, let's see. What should you hold on to? Sagittarius, I think what you've been doing, you are giving yourself a lot of self-love nowadays. You have turned your back on anyone who can manipulate you. You've turned your back on anyone who's hurt you. You have pulled all that love, affection, care in every sphere of your life, I think, and you started concentrating on yourself. And that's the reason, that's the reason now new opportunities are coming your way in a very, very quick and beautiful way. And I think this could be related to work, Sagittarius. You are building up your confidence. Like even here, I saw the Nine of Pentacles, right? And then we have the Eight of Pentacles. So you are working on becoming the best version of yourself for yourself, instead of looking at others to validate your life. And that's the reason these quick new opportunities are coming your way. So Spirit is saying, hold on to this. You've got the picture now. You have got the formula, as I can say, to attract abundance in your life, and that only happens when you start loving yourself. The Chariot. Why is the Chariot here, Spirit? This is what you should let go of, Sagittarius. I think every time you think of moving ahead in your life, you kind of get burdened by the thought, it's not going to work out anyway. Why bother? Why bother making this forward movement because I know it's never, I mean, I've tried 8, 10 times and it's never worked. And this kind of negative energy that you put out there becomes a reality, right? So Spirit is saying put a death to that, because a huge transformation is coming and is available to you. So don't expect that things are not going to work out. Let go of this energy as soon as possible. What's going to be your biggest blockage? The Knight of Pentacles. Now, Knight of Pentacles, Sagittarius, is a card of, look at this knight sitting on this horse. They have this big, pentacle in their hand, but are they making use of it? No, because they're not going anywhere with it, right? They're sitting on a horse which is not even taking one step ahead. So, anything that you feel is stopping you, or maybe you're stopping yourself out of fear, out of boredom, out of thinking it's not going to work for me, I think this can become a blockage in your life, Sagittarius. So please don't do that, okay? Give this horse a little nudge, and before you know, 1 step, 2 step, and you'll be galloping. So don't let this become a blockage because you're feeling this way. What's the point? What's the point? Why should I move ahead? Because it's not going to work out. So Spirit is saying, instead of being on this horse, why don't you get onto your chariot now? Because the 6 of Wands is waiting for you. Victory is waiting for you. We are waiting for you to make that move towards acknowledging first that yes, I can and I will and I have. Self-doubt is what's going to be your biggest blockage here, or not making the right moves to move ahead. Knight of Pentacles, Spirit, why will this be a blockage? Same card. Are you going to be, Spirit is saying, are you going to be in this energy? Are you going to be on the chariot energy? I just explained this before, right? The chariot. And that's exactly the card. Spirit is like giving me a thumbs up to say, you said the right thing. We don't need to go further with the blockages. That's the only blockage Sagittarius has, that they doubt themselves, or maybe they've kind of given up after trying and it not working out. But success is right at the door. But you have to get up from that chair and open that door. You can't just sit here and expect the worst, because then guess what you'd get? Nothing. That person who's at your door will finally keep knocking and leave the house, right? So how do people see Sagittarius? Exactly. I've kind of summed up my reading with this. They see you bored, disinterested, not believing in yourself. Any offers coming your way, you're saying, hey, I am too tired, I'm too bored. I don't even want to look at this opportunity coming towards me because I'm depressed right now. I've tried 2-3 offers, they haven't worked for me. That's exactly how people are seeing you, Sagittarius. And if people see you in this state for too long, they are going to stop expecting you to take offers, and then they'll stop coming, right? So this is how people are. I'm giving you a heads up. Don't allow people to see you in this. Allow people to see you like this. Okay? Full of beans, full of energy. You can achieve whatever you want and you're ready for it. Why do people see Sagittarius with the 4 of Cups energy, Spirit? They see you sitting here, bored, stuck, escaping anything new, because I think what people feel, you've kind of started, don't shoot the messenger here. You've started loving yourself to be in this victimhood. You've gotten so used to it, it actually makes you happy to say, oh my God, I'll never have it, poor me. So you don't want people to see that in you, Sagittarius. They see you as a beautiful soul, but they also see you that you are always escaping, or making excuses sometimes. Maybe it's become part of your psyche now that makes you feel happy, to always feel that, I don't know, I don't want to say this. Anyway, let's see what Spirit Secret advises to you. See, this is what you can achieve, the 10 of Pentacles. People have to strive very hard, Sagittarius, to go from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4. You already here at the Nine of Pentacles, right? You have it all inside you. You just need that one more pentacle, to reach your ultimate satisfaction, your stability. Let's not even think about love here. Let's think about work. If you're already capable of the Nine of Pentacles, this one pentacle, you're not making a move towards. The minute you do that, you're achieving this Ten of Pentacles. You can. But you have to give that horse a little bit of a nudge and a push. So why is Ten of Pentacles advised from you, Spirit? Six of Wands again, Sagittarius. This is like being applauded, and like this is like getting promotions or being clapped for, or being put on a pedestal. There is something or somebody new coming towards you, Sagittarius, with an offer. It may seem really small to you, but this one small offer could be that last pentacle that maybe you're not looking at. This is that one offer that can make you reach the Ten of Pentacles. So don't overlook anything, right? So be very mindful. You have divine support, and don't stop. Don't stop this one pentacle from coming your way, because I just see success for you, Sagittarius, in the month of February. But of course, you have free will. You can choose to sit here for a little more time, stay stuck here, escape anything new that's coming your way, and never ever make a choice, even though you know that you have to. Till your next reading then, Sagittarius, which will be, I guess, on the weekend. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.